Today we will learn a new sound. It's D sound. So let's start. In this video we will learn formation and action for D sound. We will listen to a song. We will learn some words for D sound and we will do some activities together. Let's do the action together. Move your hands up and down as if you are beating a drum and say D, D, D. Now let's write D sound together. Put your finger up and say round, up and down. Now listen to the song and do the action.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Now let's learn some words start with D sound. We have duck, duck, doll, doll, dog, dog, door, door, desk, desk, drum, drum. Now it's activity time. Listen to the story and try to remember words with D sound.
Dan is tidying his toy cupboard. He pulls out a teddy bear, his old donkey, a box of dominoes, and a duck. Next, he sees his yellow digger and takes it out for a drive. Suddenly, he hears his dad calling. Dan, have you finished yet? Not yet, says Dan, as he finds a bag of marbles and some dice. Soon, Dad is calling again. Dan, have you finished yet? No, not yet, he answers. Then, Dan finds his old red and blue drum. He marches up and down, banging the drum. D, 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 d. Dad comes in to see what is happening. Dan, do you know you have spent all day tidying your cupboard? Dan smiles. I found lots of things I had forgotten all about, he replies.
Say the sounds and try to read the words.
D, a, d, dad, d, e, s, k, desk, d, e, p, dip.
Listen carefully to the words and tell me if the word has beginning or end D sound.
Dragon,
It's beginning,
mermaid,
it's end,
squid,
at the end,
dart,
beginning,
dog,
beginning sound,
hand,
at the end of the word. Click the pictures that begin with D sound. We have dinosaur, dolphin, duck, door, and dog. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.